So I was trying to sweep up all the leaves in my yard when this happened. Yeah, that's not supposed to be dangling like that. It's supposed to be attached to this. The so-called bearing they used in these wore two grooves into the shaft, and this groove over here cut so far down that the shaft snapped off. The bearing disintegrated. It's not even a real bearing. Some kind of plastic nonsense in it. So, yeah, this guy should be up here. And his bearing is riveted on, so it's not replaceable. And even if it was, the shaft is too short now. So then I was thinking, I got this scrap piece of copper pipe, and it just barely fits on there. Yeah, we'll use this to both extend the shaft and act as a new bearing surface. Now, normally we want to beat off, but this time we're going to have to beat on. Probably should have used a smaller section of pipe. I was hoping to get more of the pipe on there, but whatever. We'll just cut it off. Yeah, look at that. Now we are only going to have one-wheel drive now since the gear is missing on this side, but I don't care. One-wheel drive should be fine. Let's see if it works. Got the sweeper hitched up here. Alright, look at that. Alright, it's working. Yeah, one-wheel drive is fine. Let's see what happens when we go through some thick stuff over here. Oh, yeah, boy. This is working great. Coming up on a turn over here. Will the wheel fall off? No, it's fine. This is working excellent. Now, how long is this going to last? Probably not very long. But will it last long enough for me to clean my yard up? Hopefully. If this thing can get me through the rest of the season, I'll scrap it next year and pick up another one. This thing is like 30 years old, so I gotten plenty of use out of it. Yeah, it just goes to show that when bad things happen, sometimes you need to just stop, take 20 or 30 minutes, down a six-pack, and you'll come up with a simple solution. If the shaft is too short, you just bang a piece of pipe on there to extend it. Don't have a replacement bearing? The copper pipe will act as a bearing. Just use whatever you have, whatever it takes to get the job done. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you later. Bye.